Hey there, Landsill fam. Buying land can be one of the smartest investments you'll ever make. But if you don't negotiate wisely, you might end up paying way more than necessary. Today, I'm revealing some top negotiation secrets to help you get the best price on land. First up, do your homework. Before making an offer, you need to come to the table informed. Research market prices, zoning regulations, recent land sales, and any legal issues. Trust me, sellers will take you more seriously when you know your stuff. Next, ask the right questions. Great negotiation starts with great questions. Ask why the land is being sold, how long it's been on the market, and if there are any current or pending offers. This can reveal leverage points to get a better deal. Never offer the asking price first. Negotiation is a dance, and you don't start by agreeing to the asking price. Offer slightly below what you're willing to pay, be prepared to walk away, and use your research to justify your offer. A well-prepared buyer can often negotiate 5 to 15% off the asking price or more. Now, negotiate terms, not just price. Consider flexible payment plans, closing cost sharing, and timelines for development or closing. Sometimes sellers are more willing to budge on terms than price, giving you value in other ways. If you're not confident, use a skilled agent or attorney. A real estate agent knows local land value and seller psychology, while a real estate attorney can help with contract details and protect your interests. These pros often pay for themselves in savings and peace of mind. Lastly, stay calm and be strategic. Negotiation isn't about being aggressive. Keep emotion out, know your maximum offer, and use silence as a tool. Sometimes waiting gets you a better deal. Remember, getting the best price on land is about being informed, confident, and prepared. With the right strategy, you'll save money and set yourself up for success. Thanks for watching and happy land hunting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Catch you next time on Landsill.